What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we got a 2013 Honda Civic. They're pretty much all similar. It might be a different angle of the box. Box could be this way, air box, or that way. You got clips all around it, but this is a 2013 Civic. And if you're gonna change the engine air filter, here's a brand that I use right here. This is good stuff here, and part numbers right there. Anyways, inside the box you're gonna have a simple filter that looks something like this. This is the bottom side of it, and this is the top. You will know it will not even close if you put it the wrong way. So let's take a look how to replace this guy. And we have to bring the camera a little bit closer. So just keep an eye on everything that I remove. So this little guy has a clip here, a clip there, and a clip back there. So all you do to remove these clips is you simply just pop them, just like that. Okay, and then there's one back there. Once you do that, all you need to do here now is you need to lift this little guy. You're not gonna have a lot of space, but just enough so you can remove this filter, okay? And don't yank, bend, or pull any cables. So you're gonna have just enough space how to get this filter out. Just like that. That's how easy that is. So you see how the angle of the filter is like that. You also want to check if there's a lot of dirt and debris in there. Vacuum that out. This thing looks pretty clean in there. Leaves and stuff. So filter over time will block up, and it's good to change your filter every I would say every 15 to 20,000 miles. So let's take this little new filter. So just take it easy. Like I said, you're gonna have just enough space so you can drop the filter in there. It's only gonna go one direction, and can't go wrong. And once the filter's in there, it should sit, and it should sit flush. Let me see why mine is not right. There you go. So it's only gonna go one way, and then after that, all you're gonna do is, let me bring this guy out a little bit, and your tabs should just snap back on. Just pull them up and they go right in. Okay, all you do is grab these little guys and snap them right in. Just take a look. Nothing should be loose. Nothing should be out of the normal. And like I said, every 15 to 20,000 miles you should do that. And on my next video, guys, I will be replacing a cabin filter. So if you guys want to get a cabin filter, it's all up to you. These filters, how much they cost? They're about, this thing is about $18. That one is about $12. And to put it in, it doesn't take more than 3 minutes. You go get this service, they might charge you 90 bucks each. So you could get this one done for $15. This is my cost. I'm telling you, you might be paying $22 and probably $18 for that one. So no more than that. Try to check them online. You can find a fair price on these babies. Anyways, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and like, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next video.